Hello everyone, it's me again, Louis Corpuz. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. Let's start walking again. More blessings to all of us. Let's go. Today is Sunday. This is where you will be buying your Emarflex. Look at this 5-cent building. 5 cents. It's like a wrapper.